So hello friends, so in this video we are going to talk about arithmetic. We are going to talk about operators and on operators we will talk about assignment operator and logical operator. Okay. So in previous video we have already discussed what is operator, what is operands, and what is expression. Okay. And already we have discussed what is the operator, what is the use case of operator, how many types of operators. Okay. And now in previous video as well, we have discussed unary operator. Okay. So in this video we will discuss with example. Okay, assignment operator and logical operator. And if might we have time, then we will discuss relational operator as well. Okay. So in let's go to the console. Okay, we have already discussed now. Unary operator is a arithmetic operator perform action. So prefix unary operator, post uh, suffix unary operator. Okay, so we have already discussed and we have uh, practiced with examples. Okay, so do you have any confusion? Okay, so watch that video. Okay, and now let's discuss assignment operator. So assignment operator is you can say equals to, okay, equals to called assignment operator whatever the value. Let's open the console. Okay, so here control shift I press. Okay, and then here suppose we are declaring var number is equal to 8 here 10. Okay, so here did this. Okay, no. So here var number is equal to 10. So here equals to is a assignment operator, means whatever the value we are using, whatever the value we are using to assign any variable. Okay, means we are assigning 10 into the number variable. Okay, variable name is number, so we are assigning 10 into the num. Okay, so what we are doing, we are using to assign the value. What we are using equals to. So equals to is called assignment operator. Okay, so same we are using sum is equal to num plus num2. So here this is plus is the arithmetic operator. Okay, but and equals to is called assignment operator. Okay, and here sum num number 2 is operands. Okay, and the whole statement is called expression. Okay, and what is the operator? Plus or equal to is a operators. Okay, so you can understand the difference between that. Okay, so expression operand operators and assignment operator and plus is arithmetic operator. Okay, so here arithmetic operator plus minus, that is the important part. Okay, operators part. Okay, so we need to understand. Okay, and there are a lot of questions asked in interview. Okay, what is the operator, what is the use case of operator, how many types of operator do you aware about that, so what is the unary operator, any example will written by the any scenario given by the interviewer, and you will be find output. Okay, that what will be the output. Okay, you need to find the output. Okay, so that is most important part for interview. Okay, there is a objective question to in the interview. Okay, so you need, if you are not aware about operators, okay, so might be a chance that you will not be able to solve the uh, objective question using only operator, assignment operator, and logical operator as well. Okay, so that is the most important part in the programming. Okay, so now you can understand now assignment operator. Okay, assignment operator means equal to whatever the value we are assigning into the variable using equals to operator, that is called assignment operator. Okay, and now fourth is a logical operator. So that is the most important part. logical operator. Okay, logic, logical operator. Okay, so you can think what is the logical operator. Okay, logical operator already explained in that logical operator what we use and all. Okay, and what is the symbol and means this will symbol use and we need and symbol we will use this. Okay, and for or we will use or operator. Okay, so you can understand. Okay, so for and we can use this in JavaScript. Okay, not we will use the and keyword. Okay, we will use symbol. So there are some rules. Okay, so what is the rule? So you can note down that rule. Why this is coming here? Okay, let's arrange this one. Yes. So now you can understand here. So we are using AND symbol and we will use OR symbol. Okay. So AND OR is the logical operator. Okay. So what is the difference between that? There are some scenario here. Okay. So we will write. Okay, here. Okay. So let's write the scenario here. And means there are symbol true. Let's add the table three, three, three. Okay. Here true will be true. Okay. And operator, if you are using and operator, okay, and logical operator. So what will be if both condition will be true, then equals to true. Okay, means suppose if you are using any example. Okay, we will discuss in the example. Okay, no problem. You can understand the rules, you can note down the rules if you are beginner. Okay, now if true and second false, yes, then what will be output? False. That is the rule. If false, true, what will be output? False. Okay, and if false, both condition is false, then false. Okay, so only one condition. If both condition is true, so AND operator will treat it as a true. Otherwise, if any condition, if you are using AND logical operator and any condition made false, it will treat it as a false. You can true, false, 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 true, true, false, 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 false. And for OR operator, outside. Okay, for OR, okay, what will you use? Let's insert the table. Okay, here false, false equal to false. Okay, false, true, true will be true. Okay, true, false equals to true. False equals and true, true will be true. Okay, so you can understand that if any condition is false in the AND operator, so that is treated false. True, false, 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 true, false, 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 false. Both condition will be true, then output will be true. Okay, and in OR operator, if you are using OR logical operator, so only one is false and one is true, so true. If one true, false, then true. And both condition will be true, then true. Only one case is false. If both condition is false, then we will treat as a false. So that is the rule. You can You have to remember that, or you can understand clearly. Okay, and okay. So now let's go to the console and implement that. Okay, so suppose we are using var number is equal to 2. Okay, and var name is equal to Ram Lalji. Okay, let's remove the space. Ram Lalji. Okay, var. Okay, so what is the value? Num is equal to 2. You can think this here. And name, what is name? Name is Ram Lalji. Okay, so now we have two variables, num and name. Okay, so now if if num equals to 2, okay, and we are using logical operator, and what is name equals to what? RAM Ramlal G. Okay, then what will happen? Console.log console.log print. Yeah, console, you can write console num, okay, plus num. Okay, and console.log print name, okay, plus name. If we have not, what we have written, if we are using if statement. Okay, if num equals to 2 and name is equal to Ram Lalji, then the value controller will enter inside the if block. Otherwise, if our first condition will false, then what will happen? It will treat it as false, so it will not go to the inside if block. Okay, because this is the rule ना कि अगर ट्रू एंड ट्रू होगा तभी ट्रू होगा. ठीक है, हियर वी हैव रिटन ट्रू एंड ट्रू होगा तभी ट्रू होगा. ट्रू फॉल्स फॉल्स होगा, फॉल्स ट्रू ट्रू होगा, एंड फॉल्स 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 होगा. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड एनी statement if meeting as a false, so that output will be false. Both condition will be true if you are using AND operator. So here we are using AND operator and logical operator. So in this case both conditions should be true. Otherwise the controller will not enter inside the if block. Okay, so in this case it will enter, yes, it should enter because num is equal to 2 already and name we have given Ram Lalji. So what will be output? Console.num is equal to 2 and name is equal to Ram Lalji. Okay, so you can see here now console num is equal to 2 because both condition is true. Okay, so true true true, so condition made true. So you can understand how it working. Here if block num is equal to 2, yes, true. Okay, and name is equal to Ram Lalji, yes, name is equal to Ram Lalji. So what is the condition? True. So we have already written true and true. Here true and true is equal to true. So yes, true and true is equal to true. So what will happen? Controller will go enter inside the if block and the console this will be printing. Okay, yeah, you can understand. Okay, so suppose in same example num is equal to 3. So what will be output? Can you assume? Here, can you assume what will be output? Outside, OUT, outside, if. Okay, OUT, outside, if. Okay, so what will be output if num is equal to 3? But num is equal to what we have given? Num is equal to 2. We have already given. Okay, but here num is equal to 3. No, condition is false. So condition is false. Okay, and we are using and logical operator. And name is equal to Ramlal ji. Yes, name is equal to Ramlal ji. True. But here what we are using and operator. So what will be the output? False and true equals to false. Okay. Here mention na if false and true, if false and true. Okay, false and true. Here is this one. False and true is equal to false. So here false and true is equal to false. So what will be the output? It controller, JavaScript controller will be able to enter inside the if block? No, because condition is false. False, true, false. So here will be false. So it will JavaScript controller will ignore. Okay, condition is not met. Okay, then it will come the controller here and print this one. Okay, so let's here. You can see here now what we are able to see the output outside if block, but not coming this console num only this output, this console is printing here. So you can understand now. Okay, false and true, false. So that's why the JavaScript controller is not entered inside the if block. Okay, but in the same, if we have here we have used two in the previous example already. So true, okay, true and true, condition will be true. Okay, so controller what will do by the controller? Controller will check. Okay, num is equal to yes, num is equal to 2, and so the condition will be true, and num is equal to here what we are using comparison operator equal to all called comparison operator. We will discuss. Okay, no problem. So here 2 and num is equal to analogy. Yes, num is equal to, so condition is true. Okay, so true and true equals to true. So condition will make true. So JavaScript controller what will let go inside the if block. This statement will be print, and then will be out from the if block, and then the so four statement will be printing. Okay, so here you can see na console name is equal to 2, console here name is equal to Ramlal is then outside of if console name 2. So that is the example of logical operator using and. If suppose here we are adding anything here sh, okay, so num is equal to 2. Yes, condition is true. Okay, and we have entered here and name is equal to Ramlal ji hh. No, name is equal to only Ramlal ji. So here name is equal to comparison operator we are using equal to name is equal to Ramlal ji hh. No, only Ramlal ji. So condition will false. So here condition will be LSE false. So what will be the output? True, false, false, because we are using AND logical operator. FALSE. Okay. So what will be the condition? False. Okay. So what will be the here? False. So what will do by the JavaScript controller? We'll check. Okay, false. Okay, let's go to outside. We are not authorized to enter the if block because condition is met as a false. Okay, here true and false, so here false. So JavaScript controller will think, okay, we have not authorized to enter the if block. Let's go out to outside the if block. Any statement is there? Yes, we have two statement. So here will be printed two statement outside if console num to outside if name, outside if name Ramlal. Okay, and fourth example, here we have entered 3. So num is equal to 3. No, num is equal to 2. So what will be condition? False here. And num is equal to Ramlal ji. No, false. So what will be output? False and false, false. So output is false here. So JavaScript controller think, hey, again we are not authorized to enter the if block. So let's go to outside the if and then we'll print here. There are two statements. Okay, so that is the logical operator using and logical operator. You can see both condition will be true, otherwise it will treated as a false. Okay, so that is example of logical operator. A logical and operator. Let's go to the or operator. Okay, so here number is equal to 2. Okay, so here number is equal to 2. Okay, and name is equal to Ramlalji. Okay, so name is equal to Ramlalji. So number is equal to 2, name is equal to Ramlalji. Here number is equal to 2. Okay, and name is equal to Ramlalji. Okay, so yes, number is equal to 2. Yes, number is equal to 2. The condition is returning true. Okay, and here name is equal to Ramlalji. Yes. So then this will returning true. So true and true. What will be the output? True. Here you can see na true and true output is true. Okay. So here condition will be true. TRE true. So condition JavaScript controller okay condition is met and yes condition is true and true. So JavaScript controller will think okay I am authorized to enter inside the if block. So this console will be printed and this console as well, and then outside of the if block controller will come outside of the if block, and then so here this both statement also will be printing. So how many statement will print? 4 statement. Okay, so let's enter. So you can see na console num क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या हो गया नंबर इक्वल टू 2 कंडीशन मिल गया, यहाँ पे ट्रू हो गया, यहाँ पे भी ट्रू हो गया, तो और ऑपरेट सॉरी हियर वी आर यूजिंग एंड ऑपरेटर, सो ट्रू एंड ट्रू होता ही है, ठीक है। इसमें और ऑपरेटर में भी और इसलिए और ऑपरेटर ने यूज किया ना हमने। लेट्स हियर गो टू द और ऑपरेटर। ओके, वी आर एक्सप्लेनिंग और ऑपरेटर ना। सो हियर नंबर इक्वल टू 2, यस नंबर इक्वल टू 2। ओके, सो कंडीशन इज ट्रू, TRUE। okay, or operator we have here, or operator and name is equal to name, yes now, so condition will made true and this 4 statement will be printed here। okay, console you can see na। and now second example, suppose we are giving 4। okay, number is equal to 4, अरे number is equal to 4 नहीं है भाई, number is equal to 2, so condition will be false here। okay, or operator number is equal to Ramlal ji, yes number is equal to, so false or true, what will be the output? True। here we have explained na false true, you can see here false true, so you have remember this logics if you are beginner, otherwise you will practice, then it will set in the mind। okay, so number is equal to 4, no condition false। okay, number is equal to 2 and number is equal to Ramlal, okay true, so false true, so JavaScript controller will think okay we have authorized ना, we are using और ऑपरेटर, तो इसमें से कोई भी कंडीशन एक ट्रू होगा तो हम एंटर कर जाएंगे इफ ब्लॉक में, तो वी आर ऑथराइज टू एंटर द इफ ब्लॉक बिकॉज बोथ फॉल्स एंड ट्रू होता है, तो इट विल गो इनसाइड द इफ ब्लॉक एंड दैट it will print 4 output। ठीक है, inside the block and outside will be printing। okay, and now if go to the third example, here हम क्या कर रहे हैं, 2 दे दिया, इसको हमने ऐड कर दिया HH मीन्स नंबर इक्वल टू 2, यस नंबर इक्वल टू 2, कंडीशन विल बी ट्रू और okay, name is equal to Ramlal ji, no name is equal to Ramlal ji, so condition is false, so what will be the output? True false because we are using or operator, so any condition will true, so output will be true, so here true output will be true, so JavaScript controller will think okay we are authorized enter, and this both console will be printed, and then out controller will go to outside of the block, and then the both statement also means 4 statement will be printed। okay, so you can see here, So now there is one more condition. True and true already discussed. Na? True and true is true and so inside. So you can think, understand now. Logical operator. What is difference between and, or, and what is the use case? Okay. So do you have any questions? Do you have any doubts? You can add in the comment box. If that video is going to helpful, okay. So you can like and comments. Okay. And okay. Thank you so much. Bye.